I'm very sure you're all familiar with this picture. This picture comes in our newspapers every December. This was a heartbreaking picture which was taken from the scene of Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay, so Bhopal gas tragedy, where did it take place? It happened in a pesticide factory known as Union Carbide pesticide plant. What you see here was the old picture of Union Carbide pesticide plant, and again another picture of Union Carbide pesticide plant. And when did this happen? In 1984 on 3rd December. Which gas leaked out? MIC, methyl isocyanate, and it killed a lot of people, and it is having its effect even now. And this is the current state of Union Carbide pesticide plant. As you can see, it's all rotten and nothing is working now. And I have few pictures. So these are few pictures which were taken from the site of Bhopal gas tragedy, and a lot of people died and they were all collected, and this is how they were cremated. And what you see here are the picture of people who died. So it was really a bad situation that happened in India, Bhopal gas tragedy, and this is considered to be one of the world's worst man-made disaster. I'll show you a picture. Can you identify this person? He looks like a foreigner, right? Okay, so who is he? He was the chief executive officer of Union Carbide pesticide plant in 1983. His name is Warren Anderson. And during the time of Bhopal gas tragedy, he was in US. And after the Bhopal gas tragedy, our Indian government charged him with manslaughter because this was completely preventable. So many things happened in between, and I don't want to go into those details. Anyway, they could have completely prevented it. Before this gas leak, the information was given to the company to take some action to prevent it, but somehow they didn't do it. So afterwards, after this incident, our Indian government charged him with manslaughter, but he refused to come for the trial. Then later, that means the Indian government had to promise that he wouldn't be put in jail. So with that promise, he came here, he took trial. After that, we put him in jail. Anyway, after he was made a prisoner, he took a bail and he flew back to US. After that, he was completely absconding. There was no news of Warren Anderson. However, we tried, we couldn't get him into our custody afterwards. But recently, news has come out that he is no more. Anyway, we don't know much about it. I just wanted to show you the picture of Warren Anderson. So that was about Bhopal gas tragedy.